Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by making sure core prerequisites are already set so the store can work reliably. First, run Windows Update and install pending updates. This prevents compatibility glitches. Once done, open the Microsoft Store and sign in with your Microsoft account. Use the account you normally use for purchases. Make sure your region and time zone match your Microsoft account settings and verify a stable internet connection. These small items avoid purchase or download errors later. Now you locate and install an app. Use the search bar with clear keywords, then refine results with category, price, or rating filters so you focus on trusted options. Once on an app page, read the description, reviews, permissions, and version history to understand updates and required access. When you click Get or Install, the store queues the download. Watch progress in Library or the Start menu. If you need offline installs, make sure you pick apps that support it and note the package size. Finish by managing and troubleshooting so the store remains reliable. Regularly open Store Library and click Get updates to apply app fixes and new features. This maintains security and performance. Use your account page to review purchases, subscriptions, and payment methods, and adjust app permissions in settings if something feels excessive. If an app won't install or the store behaves oddly, reset the store cache with WS Reset. Run the Windows Store Troubleshooter, and then sign out and back in.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.